My name is Michael Orr, and I am from Akron, Ohio, and I'm in my first year in the BSMS program in welding engineering here at Ohio State. What I like most about the center is really the concept of collaborative research to tackle problems in industry, in real life problems in industry. And I think it's a great way to connect students to companies, and I think it's a great way to share information and research really to benefit both parties. The title of my project is Solidification Crack Performance Development in Filler Metal 82, and I'm working closely with Frank Argentine at the Babcock and Wilcox Company, and my faculty advisor is John Lippold. Ultimately, the objective of my research is to optimize weld solidification cracking in Filler Metal 82. These are high restraint, thick section welds, TIG welds on their nuclear pressure vessel components, and I'm going to try to optimize this through computational and experimental techniques. So I get the filler metal from B&W, and I cut it myself, and then I clean it and I weigh it, and then I take basically these pieces of filler metal and I'll melt them in our button melter. So I'll create this little button and I'll take it to the cast pin tear tester, where through induction levitation we levitate the button and then we mix it and we cast it directly into a pin mold. And these molds come in different lengths. Basically the longer the length, the higher the restraint, and with more restraint is going to come cracking. And so then I'll take these pins, I'll observe them under the microscope, I'll do some crack analysis, and I'll be able to determine cracks in the specimens, basically compared to the restraint that we're inducing through the pin lengths. In the end, I'd like to basically determine compositional ranges where we can find good solidification cracking resistance behavior, or avoid poor solidification cracking resistance behavior. And then finally, later on in my project, using the strain to fracture test, I'd like to basically determine ensure what a good level of ductility dip cracking resistance would be for our materials.